Hello and welcome to Online Learning Box. Today in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to illustrate a orange piece or orange icon. So here you can see this is I have mistakenly do this to artboard. So go here and you can see this artboard. Here you can see this to artboard. So I am going to delete this one and control control 0. So if you hit control 0 at a time, you can see this is artboard is fitting to your size, fitting to your screen size. Sorry. Okay, now here let's go. I'm hitting here and click this icon and it shows this I have stroke and no fill. So increase the size, so 5 pixels is enough for you can see this what I'm doing here. So click here and like this, and this one, this is a very easy, anyone can do this, okay, and this is a very basic tutorial. Okay, if you don't know how to use the pen tool, actually pen tool is soul of this illustrator or Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so always you should learn the use of this pen tool, and this is the curvature tool. If you click here, you can see this is add anchor point, this delete anchor point. If you want to delete some unwanted anchor point, you can do with this and go with this delete anchor point. Okay, and this is anchor point tool. Shift plus C as if you want to corner some anchor point, you can get corners of this anchor point. So pen tool here. So this one we have get this piece. Okay, now what I'm going to do, just if you okay, with the help of this width tool here, you can see this one of the favorite tool I'm using here, this width tool. Okay, and this tool give you some hand drawn type of effect. Okay, this hand drawn effect. Okay, now nice, the hand drawn effect. So what I'm now it's orange color, so orange color is like this. Okay, now we have get this kind of thing. Okay, I don't know what is it's called. Okay, so it's now I'm making a brush out of this thing. Okay, simple. Now hit F5. Now hit F5. After hitting F5, you can see this pop-up is open. Now hit here, you can create a new brush. Okay, new art brush. Hit OK. Now after hitting OK, if you are using pen tab, you can see the spatial sensitivity is on here. If you are using mouse and you have no pressure pen tab which have the pressure sensitivity, so you cannot see this option here. Okay, so I'm going to use this pressure sensitivity. Hit here and you can increase or decrease this thing. Okay, I think this is better. I think this is one better. You can change the name, the new brush you can change according to my name is Karthik, so I'm going to change the brush Karthik brush. So here you can change the brush name, scale proportionally, that's like this, scale proportionally, and scale fit, stroke length. Okay, I will discuss about this matter in my another next upcoming video. Okay, don't worry about this, and you can change the arrow. Okay, this arrow is direction. Okay, you can simply use, and meaning is hidden here. The simple meaning is direction. Okay, if you want the directions from this stroke right to left, So this click here. If you change the direction left to right, click here. By default here I see this left to right. Okay, so here I'm going to change the option hue shift. Why? And if you choose this option hue shift, you can change the color when you are using this brush. Okay, this is simple, and this is overlapping, and this is the adjust corner. Okay, this do not adjust corner and fold. And I'm not going to use this, and see what happen if you use this option adjust corner. Okay, don't adjust corner, so I'm using here don't adjust corner. Okay, go with this. Now we have this brush. Okay, now this brush is look like this, and if you want to increase, you can increase like this. It's up to you. And if you want to use the width tool here width tool like this, you can go with you use this width tool. It's up to you. So here you can see this is the width tool. Width tool like this. Okay, so nice. Now I need a small stroke here. So this white stroke. Now this option is look like this, and now stroke. And now what I'm going to do, just like this. Okay, so it's give me a nice light effect. So this effect is going on like this. Okay, now change this is okay. Now, see, it's look like this. And now this is I'm going to use this accurate. Okay, now it's the stroke like this. Okay, it's Control Z because it's too much. Okay, now one thing I need to do here, just select this one, copy paste it to font, but here I'm doing this one thing, no fill, sorry, no stroke. Okay, so drag it a little bit up like this, but it does not affecting or in paste me, so it's not interesting. So I'm going to back and change it as it like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, just go to object, expand appearance, and after expanding appearance you can see this is an object. Now we can move like this. Okay, now do one thing, go to here, path outline strokes. Now after doing outline strokes, this is all of these things need to select perfectly to outline strokes. Now see, this one is ungroup. Now after ungrouping, see this is anything. I'm not happy with this. Okay, now there's a little bit of black, but too black here. It's not very easy. Now here you can change this size. 3 okay. Now cut this unwanted portion. So we have get this one. Nice. And after that you can do with this bit of black, you can change this thing, so 0.5, and here I'm going to do with this too big. Okay, this is one just okay. Now select this one and accordingly, just for the cartoon type of effect. Okay, now here, sorry, this is 1 point. Okay, group, copy, paste it to back. Okay, so nice. Do like this. Okay, now cut a little bit of rotate. Okay, now this one, and now with the help of shape builder, one of my favorite tool, and Adobe Illustrator. So thank you Adobe for discover this kind of tool. Ungroup and hit here. Okay, do the same, because here also a unwanted thing is happening. Ungroup, and now okay, see this black border is here. Grouping this thing. Okay, group is it. Selecting everything, group it. Now let's group. Control Z, selecting group, and group everything. Now we have get this orange. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. If you really like this channel, and please help me one thing, like and share. So if you don't want to like this channel, okay, it's your choice. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Stay tuned and stay connected with us. Thank you.